The VIVOHOME chair. Baseball, soccer, by the park, camping, where you need to have a chair to sit down, watch the game on a nice cold day. Battery pack gone, to the side, heated up for two people watching the sports. The VIVOHOME chair for your sporting hiking needs. By the RV, by the boat, on the boat, with the camper, going out camping, just in the car, wherever you need to have a chair. What we're going to do is show you how the chair is set up and how it works. This is the VIVOHOME lounge chair. It is an outdoor chair, battery operated, heated to 27,000 milliamps of 45 watt lounge chair heated. We're going to open up the product, show you how nicely it's packaged, what you get inside, and the number of colors they offer. This one's in an orange and gray, comes blue and gray and black and gray. It has some weight to it, a carrying handle, cord string to open up, and removing the contents inside. We have the power banks and the chair itself wrapped up. The 27,000 milliamp battery needs to be charged for the first time with the supplied USB-C cable. Remove any film off of the plastic glass. It has a carrying strap as well. It's not just a power bank for the chair. It has two USB-A ports and a USB-C port. The unit has soft white lights for charging going across 25% and an on and off button located on the side over here. The USB-C to C cable requires a brick of 65 watt, 3 amps. As we plug in the brick to charge the second battery, we are fast charging the battery units to 27,000 milliamps. In this demonstration, we're going over the setup of the chair, opening and closing, and setting up the heating unit with the back and seat on each individual side. As we take the chair and simply open up, to fully set the chair up is to sit into the chair, pressing in the center, and locks into place. It is a two-position chair. Waterproof fabric measuring from the edge of the bars 55 inches. The depth of the chair from the back base to the front 19 inches. And the back seat 19 inches. The full height of the chair measuring to the top 36 plus inches. And the base of the floor to the top 18 plus inches. Each side has a cup holder, fits a bottle. Each of the side has a hook area, and each of the side has a zipper and the controller. Unzip the waterproof fabric, place in anything imaginable, put the battery into a slot, with the two USB-A's for additional power banks running any imaginable devices. With the USB-C to C cable plug in. And on the bottom of the controller is the USB-C adapter plug. Plug in. The unit will light up and go off. To turn the unit on, hold for 3+ seconds. Low, medium, and high heat individual for each piece. Long press for the front seat and the back seat and put your heat on. Check online for further details about the temperatures. To shut off, simply long press to turn each individual off. And to turn back on, simply hit the on button and starts off at one individual heat. In order to set up the heating system, both batteries must be fully charged. Press 3 times quickly for a light indicator and then long press 3 seconds for the individual heat to activate. The temperature of low is 122 degrees. The temperature of medium is 140 degrees, and the temperature of high, which is on, 158 degrees. The chair gets warm within a couple of seconds to minutes. The base of the chair is heated up right here, and the back of the chair right here. It is a padded chair with comfort. As we show the heating area of the chair, on the base of the chair we have 15 individual spots of heat. On the back of the chair we have individual spots of heat as well. We are on the highest level and we're showing the temperatures over 100 degrees on the back as well as the base. On the opposite side, we don't have the heat on, as you can see. In the back of the chair, we have pockets, and they measure 9 inches, and across, they measure about 15 inches per. To fold the chair is simply squeezing together. They have areas that lock in, they're not removable, the tops or the bottom. Made of black metal. Simply grab each of the corners and fold. Simply put over one, squeeze, and slide over. When placing back in the bag, feet first, chair top on top. So if you're looking for that lounge chair, two-person chair with the heats of temperatures up to 158 degrees, 120 on the lowest, 140 on medium level, with a power bank to run your smartphone and accessories, 2 USB-A ports and a USB-C port. That is, with the USB-C to C cable charging both sides individually, the base of the chair and the back of the chair. I hope you enjoy your VIVOHOME chair, and thank you for viewing. Take the chair on the go, bring it to the park. Portable indeed, medium weight to take anywhere imaginable.